friends, we're reading a story today called 5 Little Pumpkins. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's the word 5. It starts with the letter F. 5 little pumpkins sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." And woo went the wind, and out went the light, and 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Do you think pumpkins could really roll? I don't know. Kind of a silly story. Bye, friends.